Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We are on the DC side for this video. He is green and he is a lantern. He is Green Lantern. Let's go! Okay, so we have here DC WizKids promo figure, Green Lantern. And this particular product contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece for Heroclix. It's an exclusive figure. I won this during the Championship Clicks Open IC Regionals 2026. And you can see it's just the illustration of, I don't know if it's a Green Lantern or the Green Lantern. I think it's D because this is Kyle Rayner, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, 14 years and older. This was made 2024, so we're opening it 2 years after. Okay, so I'm not a huge DC guy, but I am always up to look at Heroclix product, and every time we do DC unboxing, I get to see my lovely Satana. Hi, girl. Okay, so let's open it up. I actually have 4 of this as part of participation pricing. Okay, and we have... Ooh. So, let's take him out of the box. Okay, and you can see the sculpt here. Okay, so any like translucent effect is always good. Okay, he has a power, he has the green energy swirling up in his ring in his one hand, and the other hand contains the construct of the trophy. Okay, so usually promo figures like this are good in terms of quality paint job, and yeah, it's true here. Okay, let's take a look at his card. The Green Lantern has the Green Lantern team ability. Who would have guessed? It's DCP24-014. Green Lantern core keywords: Justice League, New Guardians, Teen Titans, and Herald. Okay, so you can equip him with a Green Lantern ring for free. Let me see the name. Yeah, it's Kyle Rayner, Blackest Night number 2, significant appearance. Kyle Rayner has a trait you shall have to do. Green Lantern may be assigned and equipped with 2 equipment. Ooh, if both equipment have Green Lantern core as a qualifying keyword. So there's actually only 2, the Green Lantern ring and uh, the sword. Okay, the Green Lantern sword. So I guess that is good. Okay, because he also equips them for free. Okay, so meaning if you use him at 30 points, that would be like you're only paying for the figure at what you call this, 10 points, because I think the ring is 10 points, and then the sword is also 10 points if I'm not mistaken. So making it like having a 20% discount if my math is correct. He has a special attack power. You did this? When a friendly character is KO'd by an opposing attack, after resolutions, modify Green Lantern's combat values +1 until the end of your next turn and remove an action token from him. Okay. Is KO'd. Okay, so he's like ready to revenge the fallen comrade. And the special defense power is the Mind of an Artist. Toughness, power. Generate 4 standard terrain markers within range and line of fire. So standard terrain markers doesn't need to be all of one type, so you can mix and match with blocking, smoke, hindering, I guess. Okay, and he can carry 8. So at 80 points, he has the running shot, Pensai with 4 range, and then perplex, and that special defense power. He loses that special defense power at 30 points, but he gains charge, pulse wave. Oh, quake. Okay, it looks like the color seems like pulse wave, but it's charge and quake, and 4 damage for 30 points. Okay, not to mention again, He gains that special attack power at the end, last two clicks with exploit. Is this exploit? Yeah, exploit weakness, quake, and again, free construct. So he is good. Okay, so I'll probably keep one because I have four, and since I have the I don't have a I have a green lantern ring. Okay, so and that sword I definitely have. So I think the sword grants him plus one defense. So again, that makes him 18 with invulnerability. Yeah, so he's really strong for 30 points. Yeah. So, but what do you guys think? Okay, so do you have this figure? He's an easy insert if you're still looking for 30 points. Secondary, tertiary attacker, definitely with that quake and exploit. Yeah, and two targets. It's not so bad. So after charge and quake, then you can generate another green construct for additional for a follow-up attack. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so thank you very much, everyone. And until next time, bye. Oh, by the way, he is not unique, so you can use him. So it's not the Green Lantern, it's a Green Lantern because you can use multiple of this. Again, bye.